Now what I really like about this stuff is it's great for a stabilizer. If you're turning blanks that have embedded objects in it like pine cones, maybe popcorn kernels or cherry pits, during the turning process you're going to have little bits and pieces flying out at you. You're going to have to worry about whether or not you can turn it without a blowout. So what helps is to stop and saturate the blank with ultra thin while you're turning it, and then turn it down a little bit, and when you start seeing pieces fly out again, stop and put more ultra thin on. That'll help you get to a desired thickness, and then you can build your finish on top of it without blowing up the blank. You've probably experienced where some of them have blown out on you. Colored pencils are another thing. But as you can see here, because I would stop during the turning process, every maybe 3 different times during the turning process, even more so as I got down to the finish size, I would saturate it with a little bit of ultra thin. It wicks in around everything, holds it all in place, and now I'm ready to build my finish on top of that. So I'm going to start again. I'm using a Bounty paper towel, and I've folded it in half. I've rolled it up, and then I flatten it. And so I use this kind of as a long wand, and I start at the tip and work my way back. I'm going to set my lathe again around 700-800. Whatever's best comfortable for you. I'm going to apply a little bit to the tip here, and I'm just going to work my way across this blank. Give it a quick shot, and now you can see the shines. It's going to wick in around all them seeds. It's going to seal everything, hold them in tight, and I'm going to do that 2 or 3 times to really get any cracks that might be around this sealed, and then I'm going to build up my finish. And now I'm ready to micro mesh, wet sand, and polish, and she'll be ready to assemble. Well, what do you think? Looks pretty easy? That's because it is. GluBoost is easy to use. Not only does it give you a high durable quality finish, but it also saves you a ton of time in your finishing process. So if you haven't tried it, give their fill and finish products a try. And for those of you that are using it, wait till you get some of this. You're going to love it. Rick, thank you and the team for coming up with the new product. I'm going to be using a lot of it. I'm John Underhill. Thanks for watching.